Y'all, it's just another Thursday and these kids out of school. So for dinner, I decided to do chicken tenders and fries. Simplest meal ever because I've been with them all day. Now, I love my kids, but sometimes it's just, yeah. So the kids are out of school today because of the wind. It blew and a leaf fell, so they consider that to be a storm. Yep, a storm. These poppies, people are saying these poppies good. I'm gonna taste it. I bet it's nasty. Wait, should I shake it first? Is this a soda? A prebiotic soda? It's way better than them other things I bought. What's that I bought last time? So even though he ate all day, he wanted some of my soda. So I ended up letting him taste some of the soda. He had the nerve to share my soda with my daughter. It's not his soda. Y'all, so I'm cutting up these cucumbers because I eat my salad very plain. But after that, I'm going to just fix everybody's plate. And this is how my plate turned out. So do not judge my salad because, like I told you, I eat it very plain. Period.